Gene predictions in prokaryotes. Locating the genes within the sequence of the genome is called as gene predictions. Defining the initiation termination sites of the genes, extracting the coding region of each gene, and identifying the function for coding region. What is gene? A region of the genome that codes for a functional component that can be a RNA or it can be a protein is called as gene. This is the typical structure of a gene, in which we can see that this is the control region, then there is the coding region, and then there is 3 UTR region. So this is a typical structure of a gene. Translation utilizes a trinucleotide codon system, which are called as codons. Translation begins at a start codon and it ends at the stop codon. Most organisms, they use ATG as start codon, while the few bacteria, they also use as GTG and TTG as start codon. Regardless of the codon used, the first amino acid in every translated protein is methionine. Almost all organisms, they use TAG, TGA, and TAA as stop codon. The major exceptions are in case of mycoplasmas. This is the structure of a gene, in which, particularly in case of bacteria and archaea, the coding region is in one continuous sequence, which is called as ORF, open reading frame. So here is the start codon and here is the stop codon, and this section of DNA is called as open reading frame. So from the DNA, a protein is produced. This is ATG, which is called as start codon, and this is TAG, which is for the stop codon. Translation region is contiguous in prokaryotes. Genes finding focuses on identifying the ORF, because ORF is the region that is a continuous. So once we identify the ORF, we can identify the gene. There are some computer softwares which identify the ORF. One of the program is called as ORF Finder. ORF Finder takes a syntactic approach to identifying putative coding regions. So in case of gene predictions, ORF Finder and Gene Glimmer, these are two gene prediction softwares which are used to identify the genes in the sequence of the prokaryotes. ORF Finder is available from the NCBI, and Glimmer is a more sophisticated program that attempts to model codon usage, average length, and other features before identifying the putative coding regions. So ORF Finder and Gene Glimmer are two softwares which are used for the prediction of the genes, specifically in case of prokaryotes. What is ORF Finder and what is the approach of ORF Finder? It identifies every stop codon in the genomic sequence, scan upstream regions of the gene, locate ORF that begins with ATG as well as GTG and TTG. So this is the approach of ORF Finder for identification or for prediction of the genes in case of prokaryotes. There are some advantages and disadvantages. Can identify every possible ORF in case of prokaryotes, but on the other hand does not eliminate overlapping ORF. Some other advantages and disadvantages have been listed here. While on the other hand, Glimmer approach is different. The model includes the information about average length of the coding region. It uses codon usage biasness, evaluates the frequency of occurrence of higher order combination of the nucleotides. Glimmer output. For each ORF, Glimmer assigns a likelihood score for probability that ORF resembles a gene. So high scoring ORF that overlap significantly with the high scoring ORF are reported but highlighted. In case of Glimmer2, it is reported that it is approximately 98% accurate for genes prediction in case of prokaryotes. These are some of the advantages and disadvantages, particularly few false positive because ORF are evaluated for likelihood of coding. While on the other hand, it requires approximately 500 plus known gene proper training, then a person can use this software for the genes prediction. So if we conclude about the gene prediction in case of prokaryotes, there are two common softwares which are used for the gene prediction in case of prokaryotes. They are ORF Finder as well as Glimmer.